a very interesting function, in fact a very useful function. Let us look at clean. Many a times when you are taking data from various kinds of databases or from the internet, you may find that there would be some dummy numbers or dummy things which are there in between, which is not recognizable as far as the Excel format goes. So you can use a clean function to remove all the non-printable characters from the text. So just bracket open, and you need to just select this, and it will clean all the non-printable characters. So you can see that these characters which are non-printable here, these are removed when you use clean function. REPT, basically this means you want to repeat something. Let me show you this with an example. REPT, and it repeats a text a given number of times. So if I open a bracket, what text you want to repeat? Let's say I want to repeat a text which says star.